Hello there, my name is Jaden. I turn spiritual creators from entrepreneurs into entrepreneurs. All right, now let me tell you real quick. I'm really passionate about helping people make their first dollar online, really helping them overcome that mental barrier. It's a big shift. Like I made my first dollar online like not even 2 weeks ago. So I'm not gonna act like I have all the knowledge in the world, but I will tell you that I started trying to get into business 6 months ago, back in December, right? So it's July now, so 6 whole months ago at least, going on six and a half. But man, like it took me 6 months, and then I finally started to execute on what I actually knew 6 months ago. I finally executed, I finally made progress in 30 days. In fact, in 28 days, posting every single day on YouTube, starting at May 15th. 28 days later, I got my first sale on June 13th. So I got my first sale online with YouTube at 187 subscribers. So I'm here to teach you how you don't need ads to make money on YouTube, right? There's no ads on this video, right? There's no ad when you click on this video. And yet I've made money online because I've used YouTube. How did I do that? It's because I've used YouTube as a part of my funnel. Okay? YouTube is a part of my business. In business, there are two things you need to make money. Okay? Sorry about the wind. Traffic and product. You need traffic and product to make money in business. These are the two levers of business, right? Product is what you actually sell to people. So my product is YouTube coaching. I help creators monetize their creative skills and turn that into a coaching package, and so they can monetize their own skills, make their own dollar, their first dollar online in 30 days through daily YouTube content as a coach, like I did. It's exactly what I did. So I'm just helping other creators do what I did, basically. So that's my product. That's what I sell. And my traffic source is YouTube. The traffic source is the way you tell people about your thing. So we have our product, right, which is the thing we actually sell. This is how we make the money. But we also have our traffic, which is just as important, because without people knowing about our product, how can they buy it? And so if we want to make money using YouTube, then we need to use YouTube as our traffic. Okay, cool. But we need a product to sell with YouTube. Ah, okay, interesting. So we need a product. That is how we make money. Now, if you have any limiting beliefs right now saying, oh, I don't want to make a product, I'm not sure about making money online, I don't know if I can do this, I can't really be an entrepreneur, I'm not sure, like my parents told me I can't be an entrepreneur, business is a scam. Let me just shatter all those limiting beliefs right now. Everybody is selling a product. All right, my favorite entrepreneur, Dan Coe, likes to say this. Everybody is selling a product. You're either selling your own or you're selling someone else's for them. And so you're either selling a product and getting the whole pie, or you're helping someone else sell their product and you're getting a piece of their pie. Why would you want that? I don't know. Why would you want that? No, I'm not gonna judge you if you want a job, if you feel really called to like be in some kind of career path. Hey man, do you? But if you want something more, if you don't like having a boss, or if you want to work for yourself, if you want to monetize your skills, if you want to do things on your own, if you want to have your own schedule, like entrepreneurship is the wave, right? And so that means instead of selling someone else's product, you need to sell your own. You can only sell a product if you make one. So if you want to make money as a small YouTuber without ads, you need to sell a product. Okay? So we need to make a product. What kind of product do you want to make? Like I told you, I help creators monetize their creative skills and help others use their creative skills. So let's say you're a musician, right? So my best friend Ghosta, right? My man's Ghosta. He's a rapper, right? He's a singer. He's just an artist, right? He makes music. And so I've been on his ass. I've been trying to get him to make a course and be a coach, right? So let's say that Ghosta wanted to start making money online, right? And he came to me and was like, yo, Jay, I want to actually lock in with this. And I'm like, yo, say no more. I got you, gang. So I help him out. I'm like, okay, So here's the product we're gonna make. We're going to help young musicians who want to start making music we're gonna help them start making music. Yeah, that's basically it. Like, we're gonna help young people start making music. Like, that could be his niche, right? And so he starts promoting. He makes a product based on that. Oh, John. He makes a product based on that, which could be maybe a course that includes all of his knowledge, which would be like a step-by-step framework. It could be one-to-one coaching, which would be services. He would hop on calls with them every week, maybe do texting with them whenever they have questions, text them for accountability, stuff like that. You would build an offer and you would build a product to sell, right? And then you'd make this product, you would host it somewhere. Maybe you'd like get a payment link and just have it on Stripe. You send them the info once they buy. Maybe you host it on School like my product is on. You could do a lot of things. But you build your product and you get your link and you put it in your YouTube description. And in my opinion, okay, now this is like my humble opinion, your product should be the first thing in your YouTube description, okay? If you want to be an entrepreneur, you got to prioritize yourself. Entrepreneurship is a hunt, okay? It's a hunt. And you only eat what you kill. And so you got to go for the kill. You got it. Which means the link should be the first thing people see, and it should be at the, simple. It should be the first thing people see. I want to preface this real quick before I get any slack. Later in the video, so at the end of the video when I do my CTA, right? So my personal link, my product is the second link, but it's because my top link is my free community, which is a part of my funnel. So it goes YouTube, free community, paid community, which is my product, sale. Aha, get wrecked. We'll talk about funnels later, probably next video. And so you also need to CTA, bro. You need to CTA your product every video, okay? You have to CTA. Because think about this. People will watch, how many videos do you watch in a day? Like, think about this. How many YouTube videos do you watch in a day? I don't know. I watch a lot. Like, I watch at least probably 4 hours, probably like 4 to 6 hours of content. Maybe not watch, I'll listen to, but I consume 4 to 6 hours of content a day probably, right? I won't lie. But so, like, if someone tells me about something, is it likely that I'll remember everything that I've listened to that day? No, right? It's not extremely likely. And so when we CTA, it's basically just a quick reminder. It's like, hey, dude, I got this product. I got this way that can help you with your solution. And the thing is, guys, if you sell a product that you believe in, like a coaching package that helps you, like if you're a creator, like let's say you're that musician and you just really want to help like your former self, like let's say you're Ghost of 5 years ago. Man, what? Ghost of 5 years ago. And I was bumping 5 years ago, Ghost of. I thought he was good. Going back now, he was not that good, right? Now, if Ghost of now knew it 5 years, if Ghost of 5 years ago knew what Ghost of now knew, he would be like, whoa, it is lit, right? He would pay for that. That is valuable information. And so he would want that time for him, right? That is something you can sell, okay? Bro, we all have the opportunity to monetize our knowledge, monetize our skills, our expertise, and we have the ability to like make ourselves valuable and make our knowledge valuable, make our time valuable, but we have to actually make people want it in a way, right? I was saying this to myself this morning. I was like, bro, the way you monetize your time through like coaching or through services, mainly through like one-to-one coaching, I'd say, you monetize your time, you make people like want to hop on calls with you or make people like want to like have like be in your community. You like people want that when they resonate with who you are. They get behind you, maybe they get behind your vision. They like where you are, right? Like where you are is attractive to them, where you currently are, like what level you're at is attractive to them. And like where like what skills you have and what knowledge you have, maybe like the skills like in the way you can approach them, that is attractive to them as well. So like if you resonate with somebody on a personality level, if you resonate with somebody on like a skill level, if you resonate with somebody on like a teaching level, if someone like you can interact with them, you feel like people are gonna want to buy. But people can only know those things about you if you put yourself out there and if you have those skills. And so you need to train those skills of like making valuable content by presenting awareness. Like valuable content is really made Value is made when like problems are solved, right? And you solve problems by like alleviating pain, right? That's Charlie Morgan. And the thing is, like, we can only really take action to solve problems when we have awareness. So a lot of content is just bringing awareness, right? You bring awareness to problems, you bring awareness to solutions, you bring awareness to ways to solve problems, right? Like we can know when we have a problem, right? Okay, awesome. Do we know the solution? Maybe not. Okay. So if we know the solution, do we know how to get from problem to solution? Do we know the vehicle? Maybe not, right? And so we need to bring awareness to our people by doing these things. And our product is the vehicle. Our product is what gets them from problem to solution. And so we give them value. We give them free value. On YouTube, this is our trafficking, right? So we build our product and we give them free value through trafficking. This is exactly what I did. I made a product that helped creators unblock their creativity, and I made videos about unblocking your creativity. I made videos about like purpose and being yourself. I made videos about consistent creation. And so like my clients saw where I was, and they saw that where I was attractive and valuable. And so they saw that I was just, even just 1 to 2 steps ahead of them, but that I had value to provide. And so they bought. And when people see that, they buy. But people can only see that when you show them that. You got to show them that on social media. Right. And so if you want to be a small YouTuber that makes your first dollar online, who monetizes without AdSense, you need a product to sell, and you need to make content that tells people about that product, that makes them aware of their problems, makes them aware of the solutions, makes them aware of the vehicles, and makes them aware that you have the solutions to that problems, aka CTAing your product. CTA your product. All right. My name is Jaden. I'm here helping spiritual creators become spiritual entrepreneurs. Here building a community of creators, artists, entrepreneurs, people who want to spread love, education, and fulfillment, people who want to reach financial independence doing what we love every day. That's something you want to be a part of. I'd really, really appreciate if you drop the sub, be a part of this family, grow this community up. Please like, share, spread this message. And if you're a small YouTuber who wants to monetize your skills, a creator, a spiritual creator, someone who really, really wants to use your creative abilities to do the work that God put you here to do, I want to help you monetize your skills through daily YouTube content. Now, let me be honest, like this isn't for everybody. Daily YouTube videos are hard, but I want to be there to help you. I'm going to be there with you every single day, on calls with you, every single day texting you if you don't have time for calls every single day. But I'm going to help you with idea generation, accountability. I'm going to be there to help you build your product, to build your offer, so you have something valuable that people want to buy. I'm going to help you build your content strategy, so it's on niche content based on your product, so specific and targets the audience that your product targets. I'm going to help you build your product. I'm going to help you build your content strategy. I'm going to help you build community, build a vision that people want to get behind, so people actually want to buy from you. I'm going to help you get your first sale in 30 days. Okay, that's exactly what I did. 28 days is when I got my first sale. I got my first 3 in 39 days. I'll help you get your first sale in 30 days, or I work with you for free until you do. That's the second link in the description. It's my YouTube monetization coaching, my small YouTuber, my small YouTuber coaching. Hey, if you're not interested in working with me one-to-one, maybe you don't got the money, you just want to learn right now, I also have a free community of small YouTubers who want to learn how to monetize and monetize through their community, or monetize through their channel. So if you want to join that up, it's a free community. I'm going to be dropping sauce in there. I'm going to be doing weekly Q&A calls in there. You can come in there, ask me questions every single Sunday. That's the first link in the description. My free community, second link in the description. You want to work with me one-to-one, monetize your creative skills. Do it today. Be better for it tomorrow. I'll catch you on the next video.